'cause with you one go crazy. You're baby, you lady. Oh, oh, oh. Mga panaginip na pwede yan, kasi para bang hindi mo mapipili. Kumakabog o huminto, gumugulo ang puso ko sa'yo. All the footprints in the sand, walking with you on this island, guided by the grip of your hand. I can feel it holding my world. I'm running through the dynamite. Oh, shit! The paper giving out. Feels so good. Bawat araw mas sumasaya. Magmula magkita ka. Wala ng pangangamba. Pag-ika'y kapitan. Piling ka sa mga of you. Parang islang pagkopiko. Can't wait to go back with you. Sa islang pagkopiko. Sa islang pagkopiko. Sa islang pagkopiko. What's up, mga nata? 2, 3, mabuhay! What's up, Araneta and Gwen? What's up, Araneta and Stacy? Hi, Araneta, it's Mika! Hi, everyone, I'm Malone! Hi, everyone, I'm Aya! Hi, guys, I'm Colette! Hi, guys, I'm Sheena! What's up, it's Joanna! And we are Lily! Woo! Grabe! Wow! Wow! Hi, everyone! Alam mo, lahat ng nasa taas! Hello sa inyo!
Thank you so much everyone for joining us tonight. Hindi nyo alam kung gaano kami kasaya na makasama kayo ngayong gabi.
Yes, and yun nga, katulad ng sinabi ni Ate Maloy, ang sarap na kasama namin kayong i-celebrate to dahil especially that this is not an ordinary anniversary concert but a celebration of 80 years of Alaga para sa bawat Pilipino. Palakpakan naman natin ang mga sarili natin!
Tama yan, Joanna. Speaking of Alaga, this event is also to remind everyone, especially our generation, na dapat bigyan natin ng priority ang ating health and lahat ng health natin, physically, mentally, and emotionally.
Yes, kaya naman napakaswerte natin dahil may kasama tayo handang magbigay ng tunay na alaga sa atin.
Yes, tama ka dyan, Mix. At dahil sa alagang bigay ninyo, mas marami pa tayong pwedeng sabay-sabay na kantahin, sayawin. Kaya naman, are you ready for our next song?
Woo!
Let's go!
Let's go!
Okay? Ready? Let's go!
Are you guys ready? Ready na ba kayo for our next song?
Let's go!
Let's go! Yeah! Woo! Woo! Hey! Hey!
Wala. Tayo lang nakakarinig. Tayo lang
One last,
nakakarinig.
one last. Oh, sige, ito na. Pinakamalakas na sigaw for our next song!
Ito na! Ready? Do you guys know Shaggy Shaggy Shababa?
What's that?
You might be like butter. You wish like a diamond. You might be 432, but I'm 1, 2, 3. Rotate that body, then touch your feet. Oh my gosh, like OMG. Shaggity, shaggity, shabba-bum. 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 You might not do big, you can't do it like I did. Hop from rock and drop real quick, go ahead to the right, then left with it. Rotate that body, go put in work. Oh my gosh, who gon' turn first? Shaggity, shaggity, shabba-bum, shaggity, shaggity, shabba-bum, shaggity, shaggity, shabba-bum. Do my dance, do my, now do my dance, do my, now do my dance. I bet you can do my dance. Do your, now do your dance, do your, now do your dance, do your, now do your dance. I bet you can do your dance. Stomp, she stomped and clap, she stomped and clapped and jump. I bet you can't keep up, now I bet you can't keep up. I rock, she rock and snap and lean. I bet you won't be me, nah, I bet you won't be me. Watch me shaggity, shaggity, shabba-bum, shaggity, shaggity, shabba-bum, shaggity, shaggity, shabba-bum. Do my, now do my dance, do my, now do my dance, do my, now do my dance. I bet you can't do my dance. Do your, now do your dance, do your, now do your dance, do your, now do your dance. I bet you can't do your dance.
Alright, sana naalala niyo yung mga childhood memories niyo sa kanta namin na Shaggity Shaggity Shapo po. And ayun, abangan niyo po yung music video nito coming out on August 8 at 8 p.m. sa official YouTube channel po namin yan, Beanie Official.
Yes, and we hope we can see you guys do the Shaggity Dance Challenge. And we also want to see you guys and your Anipod energy radiate to social media. So if you guys want to post it, please do tag us so we can check it as well.
Yes. And gusto lang namin batiin yung mga blooms na nandito. Bloom! Wow,
Thank you po.
grabe ang dami. Thank you for coming. Thank you, Unilab and Mercury Drugs for inviting us tonight. Okay, I think we are ready for our next song. Yes, I think, so this song, I think very relevant siya today kasi alam naman natin na iba talaga yung pressure na nangyayari ngayon sa mundo, right? Like, you tend to compare yourself to other people, pero lagi natandaan that life is not a race.
Minsan ay nahuli sa sarili na nag-aalala. Mga bagay na di kontrolado, puno problema. Pero teka lang, meron ba
Yes, we hope you guys enjoyed our performance. And that song is dedicated to everyone here who's going through life and its challenges right now. So we hope that that song inspired you guys to keep on moving forward.
Yes, pero hindi naman natin magagawa tong energy natin na to kung hindi dahil sa aming vitamins, Enervon Z+! Thank you! Nandito sila ang aming Enervon Z+ family. Thank you po!
Thank you po. Pero gaya na sabi ni Ate Aya, normal sa journey natin may ups and downs and may mga challenges na pumapasok din.
Yes, at sa bawat yugto ng buhay, importante na may kasama tayong mag-aalaga sa atin. Katulad ng Mila.
Yes, so alam mo yan, ang dami talagang pinagdadaanan today. Pero syempre lagi natin silang kasama to take care of us. Kaya maraming salamat po. And we hope you all enjoyed being with us tonight. Again, we are Beauty 2, 3. Thank you po!
pag-asa nga ba na baka ang puso ko mapabigyan? Nahuwagan sa tabi kanyang tunay na pag-ibig. Nahuwagan sa tabi, ano bang dapat gawin? Bakit ang puso'y nabibitin? Salamin, 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 nasa lang pag-ibig. Salamin, salamin, anong gagawin? Salamin, salamin, sa dingding, nasa lang pag-ibig. Salamin, salamin, kailan niya ba ako mapapansin?
Maraming salamat mga kasuki. Here's to 80 wonderful years and to many more years of sama-samang pag-aalaga.
Para sa'yo, alaga para sa'yo. Mapabata man o lolo, kahit simpleng alaga, nag-iiwan ng marka sa'yo.
Happy anniversary, Unique Evan Mercury Girls! Sabay-sabay natin. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Happy anniversary, Unique Evan Mercury Girls!
Alagang unilang yan.
Yeah!
Yeah! La 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 la.
This is the first ever Alagang Suki Fest.
Give it up for Biggie!
Anniversary concert of Uniland and Mercury Drug. Ikan
Pul, 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 pul.
Maraming salamat for joining us.
A man that you can trust noon hanggang ngayon nakasiguro.